All right, in this video, I'm going to revisit accessing dictionaries values through using its keys. All right, let me call back population dictionary one more time, and we saw that we can easily use a population dictionary with these brackets as I'm going to call them access symbols, right? USA, and if that USA, if that key is in that dictionary, you are going to get its associated value. So let's run it, and you're going to get 332. So um, what if that key is not there? Well, let's try it. Population dictionary, but this time intentionally, I'm going to ask for, let's say, Mexico. All right. Do we have population of Mexico? It says a key error. Mexico is, I don't have that. Right. Or even if I make a mistake in spelling, again, USA, right? And I'm going to get error as well. Well, you don't really, getting these errors, it's not very pleasant, and it's not sometimes very informative to a user. So there's a very nice uh, method called get that dictionary offers, and we are going to use that as much as possible to extract values associated with keys. All right, so let's use that. Population dictionary data get. I'm going to provide a list first. This time I'm going to use world. All right, world. There's an option. There's an optional argument here. You can provide a text here, and if the key is not found, user is going to get that text. All right. So data not found. All right. Let's run this and see what happens. Well, it tries to find a key of world in that dictionary. If that key is there, it is going to provide its value. What if that key is not there? So let's copy this here. And instead of, again, let's try Mexico's population and see if we can find it. And the answer is world data not found. All right. Again, this is much nicer than getting that error, and on that error can break your program, but at least this one is going to say, you know what, it's not there, move on. As the last point of this video, I also want to show you how we can use in keyword with a dictionary. We can use in keyword to check if a key is in that specific dictionary. For example, I'm going to use that example of Mexico in population dictionary. If Mexico is a key in that dictionary with that specific spelling, then we are going to get true. If not, I'm going to get false. All right. And sure enough, I'm going to get false. But this time, if I tried USA in population dictionary, I'm going to get true.